Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kill Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Right here behind me, I'm gonna have a 2022 Honda CR-V. This is part 2 here for tips and tricks on this vehicle. If you guys missed the first part, go back down below in the description. I have it right there so you're not missing out on these cool half of these features right there, right? Now let's go show you the second half now, all right? All right guys, so everyone loves a really cool hidden menu. Did you know that there's a couple of hidden menus right here in your CR-V? I know, it's crazy. Let me show you right now. All right, so you got your vehicle on and running right now. We're at your home screen. There's gonna be a couple buttons you got to hit right over here. Now, before you guys dive right in and kind of explore around, just please be careful as you mess around with stuff in here, okay? So just throwing that out there. You have a little button right here. It's gonna be a star and moon. You get the phone button and the volume button. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. You guys might have an advantage. Push all three down at the same time. Click and hold it, then boom. There it is. You have a couple options right here, okay? I'm gonna select this one right there. You see some more options there. You have a second menu, all right? So all you need to do is just two buttons now. It's the star and moon and the phone. Hold these bad boys down here for a few seconds. And there's the other menu right there. How cool is that? So we have a nice touchscreen right here. We're gonna take this touchscreen to a whole new level. What I mean by that, you can unlock your internet web browser right here on your touchscreen. It's amazing, you're gonna love this. Just be responsible as you're using it from right up here, okay? So the first step you wanna do, as you guys probably know, we have to get into the hidden menu from here. So let's get all three buttons smashed right in here at the same time. Let's see if I can do it again. There we go. We're gonna get it to this screen from right there. Deja vu, these two buttons, star and moon, and then the phone. Then we're gonna scroll downwards to special functions settings. Select that. You're gonna have your cancel Android restrictions. There we go. Just cancel that. Now we're gonna back out, back out, back out. Keep on backing out. Then we're gonna scroll, click over here, app, and then boom, internet web browser. When you select that, you may have to update that, all right? There it is. Be responsible, guys. All right, so we just unlocked the Internet Explorer. Next step to actually use your Internet Explorer, you need to connect to Wi-Fi or a hotspot. I have already paired my phone. I'm gonna walk you guys through the steps so you guys will be in the know, okay? So what you need to do is make sure it's on your device, whatever is gonna be emitting the hotspot or Wi-Fi. It's on. Sweet. Navigate over here to the touchscreen. Select settings. From settings, we're going to come down to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. From there, we're going to come down to Wi-Fi on, off status. Select that. That's going to pop up. Select on or off. Okay. I'm going to turn it on as I just did. Now you got your Wi-Fi device. From there, you're going to find your device, whatever it's named as. Mine's right up here, Galaxy S21 Ultra, whatever. I select that, I hit connect. It's gonna ask me to type in a password. Type in the password, hit connect, and then it pairs it up right away. Now I can use my internet from right there. All right, so sometimes changing the little stuff, tweaking the little stuff in your car after being in it for a while makes a huge difference. One of those can be actually reorganizing your touchscreen right here. For example, to do that, just kind of hit a button you wanna move, hold it, bring it right down, then wada bing, wada boom. Once I'm done, just hit OK, and that's the way it is right there. I can also change the color of this background if I want to. Just hit Settings, go to System. From System, you got background color. You know what? Hit Next to get these options. Maybe I want red today. There we go. Done. Let's go back to the menu. There it is, nice red. All right, so we all have done that one darn embarrassing thing. For example, you're driving down the road, you haven't paid attention to your gas tank, or maybe you didn't make a pit stop soon enough, you run out of gas. I know, it's been embarrassing. I've been there, I've done that once myself. So now you have an emergency gas can with a collapsible nozzle, right? Well, as you guys recall, you probably have a capless gas tank. So if you put that collapsible nozzle within the capless gas tank, as you pull out, it's gonna get stuck. That's where this plays. All right, get your emergency funnel, put it right in, fill it up. You can pull this out with ease and put it back away and get back on the road. Enjoy your trip. All right, so as you guys probably know, you have auto high beams with your vehicle. So you're driving down the interstate, there's no lights coming at you, they come right on, right? Now, since there's a car coming at you, they shut off automatically. You know, it's kind of nice. But do you know if they're on? If you don't know, can you turn them off? You can. Let me show you how to turn those on or off so you guys will be in the know, okay? So the vehicle's on now, okay? First step you want to do is make sure you have it on auto, okay? So once it's in auto, the vehicle's in park, of course, and running. What you're going to do is pull this towards you, all right? We're going to wait roughly about 30 to 40 seconds. And then you have a nice little light, green light, that's going to pop up right up there. You'll see it. Just keep waiting. Now, as long as your lights are in auto, they'll automatically do auto high beam. If you have it on off, auto high beams won't come on, okay? So 1 flash is on, 2 flashes is going to be off. There it is. It just came on pretty quick. So, you know, there's a couple other ways to lock the vehicle up to as well. All right, obviously we know about the walkway auto lock feature. You can have this on or off. It doesn't affect what we're about to do at the moment. So for example, let's say I get out of the car, I'm all done. I got these little ridges right here. I put my thumb down. It locks all the doors for us, right? But now let's say, for example, though, we got done going and getting supplies. The kids decided to run inside. No one wants to help me carry stuff in, right? So I had to open this up. My hands are going to be full. Opens right up. I grab my stuff. Whoop, got it, right? I'm gonna shut this. No one's gonna run in and out of the car anymore. This is it. This is my last trip, okay? I can lock all the doors. There's a button right here on this tailgate. All you have to do is right here. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus. There's a little button. Select that. Beeps. Now everything, all the doors are going to be locked. No one can get in. I run in, I'm done. How cool is that? All right, so today, let's say your favorite team is playing right now, but you can't be at home watching it right now, but you want to stay informed, you know? Let me help you guys with that right now. You can do it. All you have to do is come right here to your touchscreen, select settings from there, select audio, come right over here, keep selecting over to Sirius XM right there, okay? Sport flash setup. Interruption. You know what? If I'm doing stuff, I want things to update me, maybe one time or all the time. Continue. I got it to beep, so it's going to beep to let me know. And I can choose my favorite team. I have 5 options right there. So now I'm not missing out on any big plays. I'm going to be updated. So when my friends ask me, I'm like, yeah, I know. There we go. All right, so there's nothing like to personalize your vehicle to that next level. Where we talked about changing the color back here. But you know, it's streamlined more by changing the background right here. It's pretty nice and easy. So all you need to do is get a flash drive, download your photo, whatever you want to display up there, onto your flash drive, all right? And then you plug it in to the USB, all right? Then you come over here, randomly touch, not a button, it's click and hold, change wallpaper. I'm going to select gallery. There we go, loads up my flash drive. Then I can select a photo. I can change the size, do whatever I want, move it around. Once I'm all done, select OK. There it is, your wallpaper, guys. All right, so this next one is going to be kind of a nice little cosmetic change right here on your touchscreen. You know, we know how to move these buttons, stuff around, but maybe you want a nice little different kind of cover on these buttons. Make them, you know, a nice little change of skins, right? Well, you can do it. Let's spice things up a little bit. All you have to do is go to Settings. We're going to select System. Now, once we get to this, I'm just going to go to the bottom of the menu and scroll up. Takes you right up here to change skin. I'm going to select this. I'm going to say, yep, let's hit Next. Yeah, it's going to take a couple seconds. All right. And then boom, a whole different new world going on right here. It looks way different. As you kind of get in here, kind of play around, you can see right there, a little change in environment for you guys. Hey guys, it's me again, Crazy Honda Chris here in the sales department at Randy Kill Honda. I just want to say thank you so much again for watching part 2 here. If you guys missed part 1, check down below in the description. I'll have part 1 down there below. You guys have any other questions, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions for you guys from that point, okay? Well, thanks again for you guys' continued support. I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.